Okay, let me pick this video. Open. So here now is very important. Our video is uploading good. Processing, that's 49%. So good. Done. Now, very important. I'm going to show you something. Let's see the next thing. Schedule your video. Schedule your video. Okay. But before then, I want to show you that you need a good description for your video for SEO, search engine optimization, because people will search for your video not based on the title, based on the search engine optimization. So I'm going to show you that your description. But before I say any description, let's see the next thing. I want to show you this secret to finding tags. So you go to YouTube, search for people who has the same video you wanted to upload, the same topic. I have something on, let's see, something on real estate. Real estate investment. Real estate investment. Okay, let's say real estate investment. So 3 real estate investments. Now what you're looking for is people who have little or small subscribers, but they have much viewers. So this has 1 million, so we don't need this. 200, 300, 300. I think that 200 is more or less. So let's click on this. I have some
real estate investing strategies that always work in
I have some plugs
frame, any marketplace, any area.
I have some plugs in here that allow you to do some certain things. You can see the social blade. I've dropped it down in the description below, so you can check it out, download it. It's what's it called? It's Google Chrome plug-in. So social blade will allow you to see how much this guy is making. You can see he's making $700 to $11.2. You can see he's making a lot of money. So now what I want to do, that plugin will allow you to copy his tag. So it will allow you to copy his tags. So another plugin that I've dropped down below in the description button is vidIQ. vidIQ will allow you to know how many subscribers each video has. Let me show you that. Let's see YouTube. Say I want to click on this. Oh no, I'm sorry.
Steve and Dave use eToro to invest in the financial markets.
Let's see how I want to show you something. Okay, good. Now see, you can see this guy has nine subscribers. It has, you can see, that's the work of vidIQ. It's vidIQ. You know, that's how it works. vidIQ will help you to know how many subscribers this person is having. So good. So now I'm close this. I just want to show you that. Okay, I'm gonna copy this tag. I'll come here, drop it here. Good. But one thing is very important. We're not doing the same thing, so there are things you need to remove and place your own. Like mine has eBay Lucky, Ekwe, online video quarter. Or you can remove some of these tags that you don't think it's okay, and you can add as many as possible. That's how you get tags. So there are mistakes people make by copying all these tags and placing their description. Is not done that way. There are ways you can put in your tags and it will help search engine optimization. So how do you do that? Let's say I'm going to show you that. Okay, see now, these are I formed a sentence with this tag. You can see real estate investing in Ibeju Lekki and Ekwe. So this is Ibeju Lekki, this is Ekwe. Okay, single family real estate investment. This is single family real estate investment condominium. This is there, and you need to know the real estate investing techniques. That's how you form your own words with your tags. So it helps you to rank your YouTube channel. So now let's publish our before then let me see. Okay, click on publish it. Done. You can see our code here. You can give it to anybody. So done. Our video is ready. So now let's check the next thing we're gonna do. Next thing is schedule your videos. So I have to schedule your video. So I'm gonna show you that too. So I come here, my channel, let's see it now. So I want to show you how to schedule your video. So how do we do that? Come over to video. So when you're in video, all you just need to do is click on add another video, upload. Then here you click scheduled. Then you upload the video. Which video can I upload here? Let's for this class, let me just pick any video. So let's click this one. I will later bring it down. I just want to show you. I'm not gonna upload it. Okay, now this is the video. So I can do as much as possible. I can schedule like 10 video, but make sure whenever you're scheduling a video, let it